what should I do today? Oh, man, are you sure? Jeez, can I spin again? Jeez, why are you so mean? You wanna fight, bro? Oh yeah? What are you gonna do about it? Turn around? What the? Ah!
Fuck you! I'm gonna tell my mom! I'm gonna tell my dad. What your dad gonna do? Fuck your mom. Mommy! Yo, look, a honey bun. Where? That bitch. Bye.
It's wizard time, motherfucker! Fireball!
What is the tickle skin?
Glizzy.
That's it! Now you're not getting it for that!
Give me that!
I'm not giving it to you for that!
Cause you're gonna make me scream loud as fuck.
Yeah,
more.
I guess I am. Do it! Get louder, cause I'm not Get your cat in the mic! There's nothing in this goddamn planet that'll make me get you that goddamn scream! Fucking scream!
I said a boom, chicka boom.
I said a boom, chicka boom.
I said a boom, chicka rocket, chicka boom.
Who started racism? Yo, facts, I always want to know who started racism, man. Okay, 4chan, it is time for Mystery Box. First clue is something green. Weed. It's not fucking weed, you piece of shit!
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink. Fa la la la.